beautiful old man. What a lovely head.
India is filled with old men, Mem Sahib.
But not like the one in the yellow turban. He's like a head of John the Baptist.
The Mem Sahib refers to the storyteller?
By the light of the silvery moon.
And my heart's a thumping like a mandolin a plunking a tune.
When we get home, we're fixing to stay. So whip crack away, whip crack away, whip crack away.
And if thou wouldst attain the upper brackets, marry me, marry me, marry me.
My purse has yet to know a silver lining. Still lifeless is my wifeless family tree. But if for love unending thou art pining, marry me, marry me, marry me.
I come to thee a thoroughbred patrician, still spraying my decaying family tree, to give a social lift to thy position. Marry me, marry me, marry me, marry me,
Marry me,
marry me,
marry me,
marry me, marry me,
marry me.
I'm a maid who would marry and will take with no qualm any Tom, Dick, or Harry, any Harry, Dick, or Tom. I'm a maid mad to marry and will take double quick.
One, two, three, go!
Why, you big...
She can't swim, she's drowning.
That's the idea. In.
Hang on, Rach, I'm coming. I can't swim.
How's the water, sister?
Sweets and soda pops. What do they call that place? Isn't it paradise? Maybe what the doctor tells me isn't altogether true. But I love every tale he tells me. I don't know any better ones. Do you? I've heard the doctor says the world is full of fantasy. And who are you and I to disagree?
This is mine. And 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 know that next year and every year I'd be back again. Happy Easter!
What was that?
An old friend kissed the bride.
I'm a bundle of confusion, yet it has a strange appeal. Did it all begin with him and the way he makes me?
Oh, fine.
she could have told me herself.
Oh, Grace, it's not for long. They say it'll be over by Christmas. Hey.
No. No, leave. No, I don't want to. Stop it.
I am so looking forward to this evening.
No, Miss Trunchbull, please don't throw him.
Where's Miss Clavel? No, some nun. A nun? A nun!
Hold on, Genevieve.
Charge!
You make him a very bad boy and a go!
Cahow! Cahow! Just a little look, cahow, at my new arrivals.
No, my dear. They need warmth for survival.
Oh, just a little peek, cahow.
Move your nosy beak. Oh, no.
Oh, this waiting, this anticipating the birth of my...
Say a thing, he never does. And yet I don't want you to worry your tiny little head over the fact that your father and I don't get along and never have. He may be a mean, stupid, selfish, dreadful, rotten man, but he is your father, and I want you to respect him. There's only one person who really cares about you and your future. And that's what I'm talking about now. Your future. Sweetiekins, you can't just marry anybody.
Mobile game Farm Heroes Super Saga. It's amazing! Check it out!
People come, people go. Let me show all of these people what I know. There's no place like home.
And let me set the record straight. I'm stepping to Vanessa, I'm getting a second date. I'm home, where it's 100 in the shade, but with patience and faith we remain unafraid. I'm home. You hear that music in the air? Take the train to the top of the world, and out there, I'm home.
So no matter how shallow and self-absorbed you pretend to be...
Excuse me. There is no pretense here. I happen to be genuinely self-absorbed and deeply shallow.
Oh, please. No, you're not. Otherwise, you wouldn't be so unhappy.
Doing stuff